RZRs, check out the Terracross World Championships of Racing. Terracross World Championships of Racing, RZR 1000s around the country. We just did one of their races in San Diego last month. It was televised on CBS Sports. You guys can check it out. I was announcing it. It was pretty cool. Next up, open class. This is Aiden Wright in a 1991 something. Was 1 minute, 53 seconds. While he's taking it back to the pits and we're resetting the cones on the track, I just want to give a huge shout out and a welcome to that Gators Automotive team that's out here tonight. I hope you guys are having fun over there in the beer garden. Where you at, Gator? There he is, I see you. Right on, big shout outs to them. I would not even have an arena to announce in if it was not for that awesome team of people right there. So thank you again to Gator Automotive. Next on the track right now, though. This is Chris Young. This is a 1990 Isuzu Amigo. So we told him to cut it out. Give it up there for him, though. You guys got it going on. Give it up for Chris Young. They're gonna yank them on out of here. While they're doing that, hey, guys, another reminder, don't forget to check out your Clark County Fair souvenir booth. They're located across from the Geico building on the main midway. Take away something to remember from this summer's best party and support the Metropolitan Performing Arts Academy right over there at the Clark County Fair souvenir booth. Next up, we got another truck on the line. This is Terry Barheit. Terry Barheit, sponsored by Terry's 5-Star Landscaping and Hauling. And this is another driver out there that wants everyone in here to know that he is single. That's nothing you really want to be broadcasting there, Terry. After they watch you drive, they may know why. Check him out in that old school 94 Toyota 4x4. Whipping it around. He could have ran in the street class if he wanted to, but he knows that the open class pays. There is a purse for the winner of the open class. Not an actual purse, not that we give them a purse. There's money in it. I would laugh if we handed one of these guys a purse. I'd pay to see that, I'll tell you what. Terry Barheit. Coming down with a time of 42.62 right there. Next on the track, William Howard on the line. Just giving Terry his moment to exit the arena. William Howard up on the line here. He's a longtime mud dragger, mud bogger, and tough truck racer. He's been racing this exact Jeep right here for 14 years. He comes out to every show we do in the Pacific Northwest. And the man knows how to put together a nice vehicle. You saw that suspension just eat up those dragon backs back there. From the veteran driver there on the track now, Rick Smollerick. In his truck, he's named ADD. Squirrel! story behind this Jeep that she's driving, actually. This used to be her daily driver. And then one day, her and her boyfriend went out for her birthday, and the Jeep was stolen while they were out having dinner on their birthday. True story. A couple, like 2 years later, the cops called and said, "We found your Jeep." They had already went out and bought another car. They had already went out and got another family vehicle. So when they got this one back, they decided they were going to do it and turn it into a tough truck. So there you go. It's right there, stolen and recovered. But hey, that thing's probably seen better days. Did someone say take it back? Who said that? I heard that. That was funny. Someone said take it back. I don't think you can do return. I'm pretty sure the limit lock deal doesn't work on that. Pretty sure. Shorty, hook 'em and book 'em, brother. My man. Ow! Hey, y'all aren't falling asleep on me now, are you? Huh? Clark County, y'all still with me? We still having fun or what? Hey, if you guys are having a good time so far, let me get another ow! Hey, there we go. Just making sure y'all still tell you what, better him than me. All right, next up. This is Matt Wagner, y'all. He's from Dayton, Oregon, and he's an '83 Ford Ranger. He wants to give a special thanks to Mike Newsy for all of his help, and also big thank you to his buddy Danny out there for hooking him up with the motor to put in this truck so he can come out here and race this weekend. Matt Wagner, 45 years old from Dayton, Oregon, on the track. It's a serious truck. The final truck in the open class, and then we are bringing back out the street class to run them one more time because time is going to allow us to do that. So we